Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a healthy and tasty whole wheat flatbread made with fenugreek leaves called Methi Paratha. This is one of the best tiffin box recipes. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Take 1 cup of methi leaves, rinse them and drain water completely. Take these leaves and add half cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and give a boil. At this stage, switch off the flame. Add these leaves to 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half cup curd, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon oil. Mix these and start kneading the dough. Knead to a smooth dough. Add water if required while kneading. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Perfect soft dough is ready for paratha. Make medium-sized ball and start rolling the methi paratha. Place the paratha on a hot tawa and cook on both sides by applying some ghee. Press the edges with spatula so that they get cooked evenly. Serve this methi paratha hot with any curry, curd or pickle by the side. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.